In this video, I want to show you how are you able to lift these wheels up without using a jack. When you want to remove a tire, you can use axle by axle. You can do it on all ADT dump truck 6x6. So you put a block on there, drive onto the block, and make sure your height is right, because if your height is not right at the back, you will not be able to support, or when you move back, you will see the wheel is not the right height. So you will get the feeling of what is the right height. So yeah, there's it at the back. The wheel is up on the blocks. Now you put in a block between the axle and the chassis. See, it goes in there. To have that distance, it will be a little bit of trial and axle, how long you have to, how high you have to put on that wheel. So yeah, now we're gonna move back. And there you see the wheel is in the air. You don't need to put any axles there. You don't, because no, you don't need to put any support there, because that is safe, very safe. That axle cannot go down except if your support in the back is crumbling or things like that. So I hope this will help you, and let you will do it very easier in the future. Okay, enjoy your day. Bye.